Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. So, if you are looking for a spacious new construction home just outside of Charlotte, then guys, you are going to love today's home tour. We are at Elmbrook by Pulte Homes in Indian Trail, North Carolina, which is a boutique community in the highly desirable Matthews and Weddington area. With just 57 single-family homes, this community offers a peaceful neighborhood setting while keeping you close to pretty much everything. Homes currently start at around $574,990 and range from approximately 2744 to 3178 square feet with 4 thoughtfully designed floor plans that you can choose from. Now, location is one of this community's biggest highlights. You will be in the highly rated Union County School District and just minutes from I-485, downtown Matthews, Waverly, Promenade on Providence, and only about 1.2 miles from the Colonel Francis Beatty Park. Residents will also enjoy inside the community a children's playground, paved walking trails, wooded common areas, and the HOA is just $195 per month. Now, let's take a look at today's featured home. We are touring the Leyton floor plan, and it starts at approximately $604,990. This model features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and 3,178 square feet of living space. As soon as you enter the home, you're immediately welcomed by a bright open concept layout that's perfect for everyday living, or if you like to entertain, it's perfect for entertaining as well. The gourmet kitchen features beautiful 42-inch cabinetry, an oversized island with extra storage, a walk-in pantry, and a spacious cafe dining area that's filled with natural light. And just off the kitchen area is a convenient planning center that's perfect for a home office, a home workstation, or simply keeping your daily life organized. The gathering room is warm and inviting with large windows and a stunning floor-to-ceiling tile fireplace. The first floor also includes a private guest suite, making it ideal for those visitors or multi-generational living. Out back, you will find a covered porch and an extended paver patio that's perfect for relaxing, or again, if you like to entertain, it's perfect for entertaining as well. Upstairs, the owner's suite offers a tray ceiling, a comfortable sitting area, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring an oversized tile shower with dual shower heads, a built-in bench, and separate walk-in closets. The spacious loft provides additional living space, while the generously sized secondary bedrooms and upstairs laundry room makes this floor plan both functional and family-friendly. So, if you are searching for a thoughtfully designed home in one of the most desirable areas just outside of Charlotte, the Leyton at Elmbrook is definitely worth adding to your list. And if you are thinking about buying a new construction home in the Charlotte area and would like help comparing builders, communities, incentives, or floor plans, just give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't you forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.